In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access storage section. Then click on clean up. Wait couple of seconds and choose clean next to junk files. Over here, you can also choose junk files and tap on delete at the bottom. Then wait, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Huawei was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!